Dear students, in this session we continue solving more problems. If omega minus omega bar z divided by 1 minus z is purely real, where omega equal to alpha plus I beta, beta not equal to 0 and z not equal to 1, then set of the value of z is first option, set of all z such that modulus z equal to 1, set of all z such that z equal to z bar, set of all z such that z not equal to 1, set of all z such that modulus z equal to 1, z not equal to 1. This is purely real, which implies omega minus omega bar z divided by 1 minus z the whole bar equal to omega minus omega bar z by 1 minus z. Z is real if only if z equal to z bar. Using the concept, you can write this. Then applying conjugate separately in the numerator and denominator, you get like this. The next step, omega bar minus omega z, omega double bar equal to omega, here z bar divided by 1 minus z bar equal to omega minus omega bar z divided by 1 minus z. So apply cross multiplication, omega bar minus omega z bar into 1 minus z equal to 1 minus z bar into omega minus omega bar z. Omega bar minus omega bar z minus omega z bar plus omega z bar equal to omega minus omega z bar minus omega bar z plus omega bar z bar. Here omega bar z, this omega bar z will be cancelled. Minus omega z bar will be cancelled. Omega bar minus omega z bar equal to modulus z whole square. Omega plus omega bar modulus z the whole square. Omega bar minus omega equal to Here omega modulus z whole square. Omega bar modulus z squared minus omega modulus z squared. Omega bar minus omega equal to modulus z squared into omega bar minus omega. Modulus z square equal to omega bar minus omega bar minus omega equal to 1. So modulus z square equal to 1, which implies modulus z equal to 1, but z not equal to 1. That is given statement. The required set of all z such that modulus z equal to 1, z not equal to 1. Option D. Let z equal to x plus iy be a complex number where x and y are integers. Then the area of the triangle of the rectangle whose vertices are the roots of the equation z bar cubed plus z bar z cubed equal to 350 is option A 48, option B 32, option C 40, option D 80. Z bar cube plus z bar z cube equal to 350. Z bar z squared plus z bar z squared equal to 350. You can take z bar cubed as z bar squared, z cubed as z into z squared. So you can take z bar in common, remaining you have z bar square plus z squared equal to 350. This is nothing but modulus z squared. So z bar squared, that is x minus iy the whole squared plus x plus iy the whole squared equal to 350, which implies x squared plus y squared. We know that modulus z equal to root of x squared plus y squared. Modulus z squared equal to x squared plus y squared. X squared minus y squared minus 2xiy plus x squared minus y squared minus 2x plus 2xiy equal to 350. This will be cancelled. X squared plus y squared into 2x squared minus 2y squared equal to 350. X squared plus y squared into 2 into x squared minus y squared equal to 175. Sorry, 350. X squared plus y squared into x squared minus y squared equal to 175. Which implies x squared plus y squared into x squared minus y squared equal to 25 into 7 or x squared plus y squared into x squared minus y squared equal to 35 into 5. There are two possibilities. So consider x squared plus y squared into x squared minus y squared equal to 25 into 7. X squared plus y squared equal to 25. X squared minus y squared equal to 7. Two x squared equal to 32, which implies x squared equal to 16. X squared plus y squared equal to 25. Y squared equal to 25 minus x squared equal to 25 minus 16 equal to 9. So x squared 16, y squared 9. X equal to plus or minus 4, y equal to plus or minus 3. You take this rectangle, that is, it may be 4 comma 3, this is 4 comma minus 3, minus 4 comma plus 3, minus 4 comma minus, these are the possibilities. Area of rectangle, the length will be 8. The distance between plus 4 and minus 4, it's 8. The breadth plus 3 and minus 3, height is 6. 48 square units. So take another case. Consider x square plus y squared into x squared minus y squared equal to 35 into 7. In this case, x square plus y squared equal to 35, x squared minus y squared equal to 7. So here 5, 35 into 5. Adding 2x squared equal to 40, so that x squared equal to 20. Which is not possible for any integer value of x. Therefore, option A 48 square units is correct. A particle P starts from the point Z0 equal to 1 plus 2i, where I equal root of minus 1. It moves horizontally away from the origin by 5 units and then vertically away from origin by 3 units to reach a point Z1. From Z1, the particle moves root 2 units the direction of the vector I plus j and then it moves through an angle pi by 2 in the anti-clockwise direction on a circle with center at origin to reach a point Z2 is given by 6 plus 7i minus 7 plus 6i 7 plus 6i minus 6 plus 7i. Z naught is given as 1 plus 2i. It moves horizontally away from the origin by 5 units on the horizontally 5 units, vertically 3 units to reach the point Z1. Therefore, Z1 will be obtained by 1 plus 2i plus horizontal movement 5 units, vertical movement, that is y-axis 3i. 6 plus 5i. This Z1 is moved through a distance of root 2 units in the direction of I cap plus j cap, that is 1 plus I, it means real part 1, j imaginary part I, 1 plus I. Okay, in direction of I plus j, it will reach a position, let that position be Z1 dash. So root 2 distance, you have to find unit distance. Unit distance means I vector plus j vector by modulus I vector plus j vector. This is 1 unit, root 2 units equal to root 2 into I vector plus j vector by, this is 2, 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2 I plus j, that is 1 plus I. Therefore, z1 dash equal to 6 plus 5i z1 position plus this position 1 plus I. Seven plus 6i. O z1 dash is rotated through an angle pi by 2 in the anti-clockwise direction. Z equal to seven plus six I or z1 dash into e power I pi by 2. So this is 90 degrees rotators. It is equal to multiplied by e power I pi by 2. So z2 equal to z1 dash, that is 7 plus 6i cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 into I. This is 0, 1 into I. Seven I minus 6, that is minus 6 plus 7i. So option D is correct. Let's z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Then the value of summation m equal to 1 to 15, imaginary part of z power 2m minus 1 at theta equal to 2 degree is option A 1 by sin 2 degree, one by 3 into sin 2 degree, one by 4 into sin 2 degree. These are the given options. Z power 2m minus 1 cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 2m minus 1. Using De Moivre's theorem, cos 2m minus 1 theta plus I sin 2m minus 1 theta imaginary part of z power 2m minus 1, that is sin 2m minus 1 into theta. Summation m equal to 1 to 15 imaginary z power 2m minus 1 equal to summation m equal to 1 to 15 sin 2m minus 1 into theta. Sin theta plus sin 3 theta plus sin 5 theta plus etc. up to 15 terms equal to we have one formula sin alpha plus beta sin alpha plus 2 beta plus extra sin alpha plus n minus 1 beta. This is sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 plus sin alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. We have to use this result. In place of alpha we have theta. In place of alpha plus beta we have 3 theta. So alpha equal to theta, beta equal to 2 theta here. So n equal to 15 terms. So n equal to 15 terms. Sin n beta by 2, 15 beta, that is 2 theta by 2, sin beta by 2, sin 2 theta by 2, sin alpha, that is theta, n 15, 15 minus 1 means 14, beta by 2, beta 2 theta by 2. We have to use this result. Equal to sin 15 theta divided by sin theta into sin 14 theta plus theta sin 15 theta. Sin 30 degree by sin 2 degree sin 13 degree. Since theta takes value 2 degree in this case, that is given. 1 by sin 2 degree sin square 30 degree. One by 2 whole square. One by 4 sin 2 degree. So option D is correct. If one of the vertices of the square circumscribing circle modulus of z minus 1 equal to root 2 is two plus I root 3. Find the other vertices of square. Find the other vertices of the square. So given circle is z minus 1 equal to root 2. So this is center 1 and radius root 2 units, which means z not equal to 1. And radius equal to root 2. Let z1 equal to one of the vertices, that is 2 plus I root 3. Z naught, that is origin 1 unit. Then that is this point be 2 plus I root 3, that is Z1. Take Z2, take Z3, this point Z4. So 1 unit, radius root 2, that's it, this point 1 plus root 2, 2 point something, 2.44, this point. So Z2 can be obtained by rotating Z1 by an angle 90 degree in the anti-clockwise sense about Z0. That is Z2 minus Z0 divided by Z1 minus Z0 equal to e power I, using rotation property, Z2 minus Z0 by Z2 minus Z0 equal to, this angle is 90 degree, e power I pi by 2. That is Z2 minus Z0 equal to Z1 minus Z0 into e power I pi by 2. We have taken Z1 as 2 plus I root 3, Z0 that is 1, into I, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 plus I root 3 into I. I minus root 3. So here we have Z2 minus, in place of Z we have 1. So Z2 equal to I plus 1 minus root 3. That is 1 minus root 3 plus 8. That is the point Z2. So Z2 equal to 1 minus root 3 plus I. Again rotating this Z2 by 90 degree about Z0 anti-clockwise direction, we get this point Z3 minus Z0 equal to, now by Z2 minus Z0 equal to e power I pi by 2. Z3 minus Z0 equal to Z2 minus Z0 into I. Z3 minus 1 equal to Z2, this value 1 minus root 3 plus I into I. This is Z2, 1 minus root 3 plus I minus Z0, that is 1 into I. This will be cancelled. Minus root 3 plus I into I minus root 3I minus 1, that is Z3 minus 1. Z3 equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 plus 1 minus I root 3. Again, the same sense, similarly Z4 minus Z0 by Z3 minus Z0 equal to e power I pi by 2 is equal to I. Z4 minus Z0 equal to Z3 minus Z0 into I. Z4 minus 1 equal to Z3, that is minus I root 3 minus 1 into I. I into minus I plus 1, that is root 3 minus I. Z4 equal to 1 plus root 3 minus I. So, other vertices are one minus root 3 plus I minus I root 3 root 3 plus 1 minus I. So, using rotation concept, we find this result. If Z is any complex number satisfying less than equal to then the minimum value of modulus of 2z plus 5i is z minus 3 minus 2i less than equal to z minus of 3 plus 2i less than equal to 2. This represents a circular region with center three comma 2 and radius 2. 2z minus 6 plus 5i equal to twice z minus 3 plus 5 by 2i. 2 into z minus of 3 minus 5 by 2 minus I. So, a given circle with center 3 comma 2. This is center 3 comma 2. Here this point is 3. So that this is also 3 comma minus 5 by 2. This point. This point P represents. Is any point Z. This means if this point represents P, the distance Z minus Z1. That means the distance between Z and the point P. That is 2 into distance of Z from P. Minimum distance of Z from P is, this is the minimum distance 5 by 2. Therefore, minimum value of 2z minus 6 plus 5i equal to 2 into 5 by 2, that is 5. It's a numerical type question. For n integer k, let's alpha k equal to cos k pi by 7 plus I sin k pi by 7. The value of the expression k equal to 1 to 12 alpha k plus 1 minus alpha k divided by k equal to 1 to 3 alpha 4k minus 1 minus alpha 4k minus 2 is, this is also numerical type question. So alpha k is given, this can be e power I k pi by 7. Alpha k plus 1 minus alpha k equal to e power I k plus 1 pi by 7 I k by 7. E power I k by 7 into e power I pi by 7 minus e power I k pi by 7. E power I k by 7 e power I pi by 7 minus 1. Alpha k plus 1 minus alpha k equal to modulus of e power I k pi by 7 e power I pi by 7 minus 1. This is equal to 1. Since modulus of e power I theta equal to 1. So 1 into e modulus of e power I pi by 7 minus 1. K equal to 1 to 12. Alpha k plus 1 minus alpha k equal to same value 12 times. 12 times e power I pi by 7 minus 1. Alpha 4k minus 1 minus alpha 4k minus 2 equal to e power I 4k minus 1 pi by 7 minus e power I 4k minus 2 into pi by 7. E power I 4k minus 2 plus 1 pi by 7 minus e power I 4k minus 2 into pi by 7. E power I 4k minus 2 pi by 7, if we taken common, you have e power I pi by 7 minus 1. Next step, if you take modulus of this term, modulus of e power I 4k minus 2 into pi by 7 into modulus of e power I pi by 7 minus 1. this is equal to 1 into modulus of e power I pi by 7 minus 1. So this is in the form of e power I theta. Modulus of e power I theta is always equal to 1. So modulus summation k equal to 1 to 3 alpha 4k minus 1 minus alpha 4k minus 2 k varies from 1 to 3. Therefore 3 times e power modulus of e power I power 7 minus 1. So summation k equal to 1 to 12 alpha k plus 1 minus alpha k divided by k equal to 1 to 3 alpha 4k minus 1 minus alpha 4k minus 2 equal to numerator is equal to 12 times e power I pi by 7 minus 1 divided by here 3 times modulus of e power I pi by 7 minus 1. So this will be cancelled. 12 by 3 equal to 4. So that's the answer. Okay, we will continue next session. Thank you.